Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to use Robinhood retirement accounts. Alright, let's begin. To start, log into your Robinhood account and navigate to the retirement section at the top of the page. Here, you can set up an IRA, individual retirement account. First, link your external bank account to Robinhood's retirement dashboard. Click Get Started, then follow the prompts to create your IRA account. You will need to fill out the required documents and verify your details. You can contribute up to $17,000 per year to your IRA, or $18,000 if you're 50 or older. Robinhood allows you to invest in stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and ETFs within your IRA. To automate your contributions, you can set up recurring investments. This ensures consistent growth and takes advantage of tax benefits offered by retirement accounts. So that's basically how you can use Robinhood retirement accounts. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks!